Hey, I said I was going to make a run video for this little RC, and my the app I uses a Bluetooth headset, and my work headset was turned on inside the house, and it actually captured my phone. So I wanted to get the run video out there. I'm going to redo it. I ran out of daylight anyway, so this is all I'm going to do is throw some run footage up here. I'm going to throw some music in here and let y'all watch it. And when I get back in 2 days, I'll redo the video. So, sorry everybody. Okay, if anybody's still here, sorry for the screw up on this. I'll be back in 2 days and I'll do a proper run video on it. I'm going to tell you a first impression. I really like it. It's actually the quietest RC car I've ever run. I mean, it's basically all you hear is the tires. The gear mesh on this thing seems to be excellent. Anyway, I'll be back in 2 days. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments, questions, or whatever. I'll have the battery charged up. I'll be back in 2 days. Run the thing again, make a little bit, hopefully a little bit better video, or maybe you like this one better with the music. I don't know. Let me know something, and subscribe, if you want to see the second part of this run video. Take care. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being here. And I'll catch you down the road.